Preparation for the 23rd Zanu PF National People's Conference have gathered significant momentum with overall readiness now exceeding 60% as the ruling party intensifies preparations for one of its most important annual gatherings. This year's conference is expected to place a strong spotlight on Zimbabwe's economic transformation, with particular emphasis on the expanding role of small and medium enterprises as key drivers of industrialization, job creation, and grassroots wealth creation under Vision 2030. Sarabina mashuka mdanyi kwa pangu ene robo subscribe or like button on the bell icon. Jimna mnamu mdanyi kwa mchenzi. Addressing the inaugural joint meeting of the National People's Conference Coordination Committee in January yesterday, ZANU-PF Treasurer General Comrade PANECHAMISA, representing party chairperson and Minister of Defense Opam Chinguri Kashiri, said every subcommittee had surpassed the 60% preparedness threshold, with planning progressing smoothly and in line with established timelines. Comrade Namasa said the encouraging level of preparedness reflected the organizational discipline that has long distinguished ZANU-PF, expressing confidence that the conference would not only demonstrate the party's institutional capacity but also reinforce its enduring commitment to people-centered development and economic empowerment. Also attending the meeting was ZANU-PF National Political Commissar Comrade Nyaras Machacha, Mashonaland West Province Provincial Chairperson Comrade Madam Muliswa Chikoka, senior party officials, provincial leadership, and members of the various conference organizing committees, all of whom reaffirmed their commitment to delivering a successful conference befitting the party's stature and national responsibilities. Toma developments are kuda pangwa ina. Recommend section medu za fungira imo kulipa msoro pichit kwechi. Subscribe or like, but turn on the bell icon.